Racing just is started with double black. Break quick, let us start rushing up. Now what the outside is Spring Collection. Tagapagmana comes next. Alakdan running by the rail, take it or leave it, etc. Getting the wide strip as they make their first turn. One Tanamera comes next, then followed by Ford Angeles, while Senorita Ruth is the early trailer by about 15 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch, two runners now matching their strides together. The Spring Collection is on the outside. Double Black is running by the rail, then 4 lengths back in third. Now is Alakdan, one Tanamera. Moving up now on the outside, etc. Tagapagmana, take it or leave it. Comes next, Senorita Ruth racing second last, while number 5, Fort Angeles now racing in less. And at the fourth turn, we have Double Black enjoying a 2 lengths lead. Spring Collection, Alakdan, etc. is on the outside. The next online, one Tanamera, Tagapagmana comes next. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Double Black by about 3 lengths. And in second, Alakdan, etc. is Spring Collection, one Tanamera. Last 75 meters, Double Black, etc. is on the outside. Double Black followed by etc. and finally Double Black, etc. Then comes Alakdan, is Spring Collection, one Tanamera, Tagapagmana.
Okay, bayang karirista, para sa ating race number 2, ang ating pong unofficial winner, lumalabas banderang tapos. Numero 2 na si Double Black, narendahan ni RG Fernandez, masisigundo po dito, 3A, etc. Muli po natin balikan ang kakatapos na karera. This is our replay.